Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about Malaysia and crypto. Cryptocurrencies are not legal tender in Malaysia but are classified as securities. Cryptocurrencies are not recognized as legal tender in Malaysia. The Central Bank of Malaysia Act establishes the ringgit as the country's sole legal tender, effectively excluding cryptocurrencies from this status. While the Act doesn't explicitly prohibit cryptocurrencies, it limits the definition of legal tender to the ringgit. However, cryptocurrencies are classified as securities under the Capital Markets and Services Order. This classification gives them a defined legal status within Malaysia's financial regulatory framework. There have been calls from within the government to adopt a more progressive stance towards cryptocurrencies. In March 2022, Zahidi Zainul Abidin, the Deputy Minister of the Communications and Multimedia Ministry, suggested that Malaysia should adopt Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as legal tender. "We hope the government can allow this," Zahidi said in Parliament, according to Bloomberg. Additionally, religious authorities in Malaysia, such as the Sharia Advisory Council of the Securities Commission, have recognized digital currencies as a form of property from an Islamic perspective, further legitimizing their use within the country's predominantly Muslim society, according to a study published in the Journal of Fatwa and Falak Selangor. Regulatory framework and key legislation. Bank Negara Malaysia, the country's central bank, is the primary authority overseeing cryptocurrency matters in Malaysia. The key legislative acts governing cryptocurrency regulation. The Central Bank of Malaysia Act defines legal tender and BNM's authority over monetary policy. The Financial Services Act regulates financial institutions and payment systems, including those related to cryptocurrencies. The Anti-Money Laundering, Anti-Terrorism Financing and Proceeds of Unlawful Activities Act combats illicit activities involving cryptocurrencies. The Capital Markets and Services Order further strengthens the regulatory framework by classifying certain digital currencies and tokens as securities. This brings them under the purview of the Securities Commission Malaysia, imposing additional compliance requirements on cryptocurrency businesses, including obtaining necessary licenses to operate legally. Organizers of unregistered coin offerings may face up to 10 years in prison or a fine of up to 10 million Malaysian ringgit, approximately $2.5 million. In terms of taxation, active traders operating on digital asset exchanges are required to declare their profits in their annual income tax returns. However, infrequent traders may be able to classify their earnings as capital gains, which are not taxable in Malaysia, according to a research in the Journal of Management Theory and Practice. The government has recently stepped up enforcement of these tax regulations.
Crackdown on crypto tax evasion. In June 2024, Malaysia's Inland Revenue Board launched a special operation called Ops Token to address tax revenue leakage from cryptocurrency trading. The operation involved raids on 10 locations in the Klang Valley, conducted by 38 personnel from the Royal Malaysia Police and Cybersecurity Malaysia. According to Cointelegraph, the IRB CEO, Datuk Abu Tariq Jamaluddin, warned crypto traders to declare their taxes promptly or face compliance actions. Through the operation, cryptocurrency trading data stored in mobile devices and computers were found, and we successfully identified the value of digital assets being traded, which caused a very significant leakage of tax revenue. The IRB stated, crackdown on illegal Bitcoin mining. While cryptocurrency mining itself is not prohibited in Malaysia, authorities have intensified efforts against illegal operations using stolen electricity. In August 2024, 7 individuals were arrested for such activities, as reported by Cointelegraph. The scale of the problem is significant, with the country's deputy energy minister revealing that illegal crypto mining operations cost an estimated $723 million in stolen electricity between 2018 and 2023. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. If so, feel free to give me a like on this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day.